Thanks for tuning in. We have another day and another delivery from from China. Probably, AliExpress. That's the only place I order watches from. But that's going to be coming to an end because it seems that there's more and more sellers that aren't willing to ship to Canada. And unless I'm ordering a lot of watches, and having them delivered to my mailbox in the States, I don't think it's worth driving down again unless it's something I really, really want and they won't deliver here. Then it's worth the drive because I'm only 45 minutes from the border, so it's not that big of a deal. And I don't mind driving. So let's see what we have here. Okay, let's do that seam. I actually, what's coming soon, I bought one watch through Alibaba because the price of the same watch directly from Pagani Design, and I don't think it's this one, but just to give you a foreshadowing of what's coming in the future, the same watch buying directly from Alibaba, directly from Pagani Design's factory, was actually cheaper than going through AliExpress and buying it there. But I haven't gotten the final bill of all the fees and tariffs and all that stuff. That's one of the downsides of Alibaba. But that's another story. So we've got Pagani Design. Oh, okay. This is a Pagani Design. I thought it would be something else. Oh, okay. Here we go. Oh, yes. Okay, so no plastic to deal with. Well, no major plastic to deal with. And this is I can't tell. It's a PD-1778? 78 or 18, I'm not sure. Anyway, oh look, we've already got motion, so I don't need to send it back. So I'll take the plastics off, and God, I'm enjoying seeing this cream called cloth. We'll take the plastics off, and we'll do a deep dive and full review and etc. etc. Stay tuned. And we're back. And yeah, no plastic to deal with. The only thing I had to take off was the sapphire crystal sticker on the top, the saran wrap that was around here. So very simple. Now, so this is the PD 1778. It's complete 316 stainless steel case. As mentioned, sapphire crystal with AR coating. It's got an NH35 automatic movement. The case diameter is 40 millimeters. The thickness is 12.5 millimeters. The lug to lug is 48 millimeters. 48 millimeters. We've got a nice signed crown, and we've got a lug width, as stated on the band, of 22 millimeters, which means strap swaps. I actually didn't do very many strap swaps with this because I just enjoyed wearing it so much on the supplied bracelet. It's got a nice texture to it. It's a combination fabric leather, and it's extremely comfortable. I had no desire to take it right off and change it at all. The buckle is signed with the Pagani Design logo. Exhibition case back. Unsure as to whether or not that's sapphire because I don't have a hardness tool. But really, for the price I paid, or for the price that the Pagani wants for this, when you compare it to what Patek wants for their watch, yeah, this is very, very. This is a bargain. We've got batons on this, whereas the Patek has Arabic numerals. We've got a textured inner or center of the dial. Let's call it the nucleus. The blue dial at the circumference it's got a sunburst to it, which you can kind of see there. We've got a nice date window, which is not framed, but very easy to read. And the loom is surprising, so stay tuned for a time-lapse loom shot. Even for a Pagani, I was very surprised. The bezel is polished. The sides of the case are nicely brushed. I mean, the finish quality is excellent. Um, I, it's the watches that are coming out of Pagani Design's factory lately in the last year. Like every single one of them that I've gotten the last year has been excellent, and the value for dollars is punching way above its weight. So I bought this watch with my own money. In the description, I'll put a link to where I bought it. Whether or not it'll ship to your country is debatable. AliExpress will tell you so, but I also put a link to Pagani Design's direct website in China. The straps that you'll see are from the HQstrap Store on AliExpress, which is where I buy most of them. So a very simple, quick video. Not really much else to say than very. Oh, I almost forgot. There are different colors available, which let's move over here, and I'll put the other variants here. This is blue, of course, and there's also black with red accents and black with yellow accents. So interesting choice. I mean, at the price, you could just buy all three really and add them to your collection. So there you have it. Thanks for tuning in. Questions, comments, remarks, like, subscribe, all that good stuff, and have yourself a great day. So I charged it up for a full minute with my LED flashlight, and this is at 30 times speed, and you'll see that it gets well past the 5-minute mark. Supplied strap on my 7-inch wrist. Aftermarket 5-link bracelet. Blue suede with red accents.